Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather Gearhart. Thanks for joining me today. Today we are doing waffles.
Madam, we must have waffles.
Keto waffles.
Waffles.
Fluffy waffles.
Who wants waffles?
I do!
Not grainy, not fibrous. Doesn't taste like coconut flour.
Can I get the waffles?
Waffles. I have a lot of waffles.
Because it doesn't have. Want to know what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. All right, if you've seen any of my other keto recipes, I am one of those people that it needs to taste good. I don't want it to taste weird. I don't want it to taste like okay. I want it to taste amazing.
Man, you guys ain't had no waffles like these. These waffles are so good. They come from down south.
And I have discovered Lupin Flour, which is made from a legume. It's kind of in the peanut family, so if you've got a peanut allergy, you need to be careful with this one. But it makes baked goods really soft and fluffy. So if you're looking for something that's got some good texture to it, this may not be a flour to try in those recipes, but something that you want to be fluffy, like pancakes or waffles or things like that, this is a great add to your keto products. So what I did was made waffles using Lupin Flour and some oat fiber and different ingredients, and I'm going to show you how I make it. Now, if you are used to traditional waffles, you're going to have that kind of crunchy outside, and then you're going to have a fluffy interior texture, which is just amazing, melts in your mouth. With the Lupin Flour, it's not going to get crunchy. So if you want a crunch on the outside of your waffle, this isn't your recipe. But if you want something where the whole waffle tastes like an inside of a waffle, this is your recipe. So you're gonna need 4 eggs. You're gonna need a half a stick or 4 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of oat fiber, and a half a cup of Lupin Flour. I'll have that in the description box where you can get that. Teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of melted butter, or you can use coconut oil. I just love butter flavor. 1/4 cup of monk fruit or your favorite sweetener. And then you're gonna need some water to kind of thin it out. I actually mixed water with heavy cream to make like milk and thinned it out a little bit with that. That, you just need it thin enough to where you can pour the batter. When you see it, it's still pretty thick, so don't do it too much because you don't want it to be runny. You want that to puff up in the waffle iron. Now, disclaimer, I had to dig into my kitchen in the very back to find my waffle iron, which I have not used in forever, and it's filthy. Okay, this is a real home here, not a professional kitchen, so don't judge me. It's really kind of gross. But anyway, back to the waffles.
Yeah! Waffles! And I thought the waffle fairy was just a bedtime story. Sticky stacks of golden therapy deliciousness!
Okay, you're just gonna mix all these ingredients together, and then you are gonna grease your waffle iron so that it doesn't stick. I just used melted butter and just a brush and brushed it all over that. Worked just fine. And these do cook up pretty fast, so watch them. Mine has a light that indicates when it's done, but I checked it a little bit early just to make sure. But these puff up so beautifully. They taste so creamy good. There's no graininess to it. It doesn't taste fibrous. It doesn't have a weird texture that almond flour gives stuff. It tastes just like a real waffle without the crispy crunch on the outside. Kind of wish it did that, but it doesn't. Let's be real here. I'm gonna be honest. But for a waffle, best thing I've ever tried on a keto diet. It is so good. Get yourself some Lupin Flour. Try this recipe. Leave me a comment below on whether or not you like it. I guarantee you're gonna like it. It's so good. I just put butter all over it and some sugar-free syrup. You can do whipped cream and fresh berries. You can do a zero sweetener peanut butter. I need to go make some more right now. So I'm gonna have the whole recipe in the description box. I really hope you'll try this. This is one of my favorites that I have made. If you've not tried the coconut cream pie one, that's amazing. I'll have the playlist of all my keto recipes in the description box below and at the end of this video. But we make some pretty good low carb stuff here on this channel, so I hope you'll check this out. This one's a good one, guys. Give it a shot. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope this has inspired you to try some waffles that are a little bit healthier. Again, it's all gonna be in the description box. Lupin Flour is only 1 carb per serving because it's mostly fiber. It's a really good addition to your keto pantry. I hope you will click the link in the description box and try this out. I'm gonna be trying it to make pasta next, and we'll see if that works. I don't have high hopes, but we'll see. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell to see when that video comes out. I'll put it out even if it doesn't work, just so you know. Ugh. But we'll give it a shot. All right, until next time, stay inspired. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.